Hi guys, today I'm going to be playing with my fidgets, and first fidget, I have my pink pop tube. And then I have my blue pop tube. And then I have a whole bunch of monkey noodles. I have a green one, a yellow one, a pink one, a blue one, and then I also have an orange and purple. And then I have my two giant puppets. I have one that's like a game one, and it's blue, purple, and white, and it's really fun, and I really like it, and it's really pretty. And it's super fun to play with. And then I have my gigantic dog puppet. It goes like pink, yellow, green, purple. No, I mean like a beigey pink, yellow, green, purple, pink. And that's going to be the end of my video for today. Bye guys! And remember to like and subscribe.